Chamoy.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
Why does everybody think we fucked?
Cause we did. Now come here. Stop running. Come here.
Ay, chicos, se repite la historia, no. Ah, no pasó nada. Tranquilo.
Do you really think I give a fuck? Do you?
Silence.
Please.
What do you want done? Go ahead.
I already told you, like, I'm not gay, my boyfriend gay, but he be on that weird too. Yo!
No homo, bro.
Oh, I thought you was on that gay shit.
No, never that, bro.
Yo,
on,
hey,
bro.
bro, chill up.
Yo, why can't you spit on a nigga dick like...
Well, we're leaving tomorrow. Blake, what are you packing?
Oh, I mean, like last I checked, 8 inches.
Blake, my gosh. No wonder we can't have a vacation.
I don't really measure.
I knew there was something off about you. You're gay.
Last one, over the fence and to the car. That's pay for dinner. Alright, okay. Let's do it.
Oh my god. Ed Sheeran is in my car.
Girl, you know I want you.
Let bees lick you. Bees need salt to stay cool on hot sunny days.
Hey, shh. It's okay, I'm just a little dehydrated. Come on, man, leave me the fuck alone. Shut up. Shut the fuck up, don't you care about the environment?
Let's make some lunch for my son. So my son is getting these big old wieners because he is gay. Happy Pride Month. I really wanted to make sure it looked like a dick.
My heart. I loved her. Well.
Chamoy.
I thought it would be funny to put fireworks in my goofy dad's turkey sandwich.
Richard, I just smashed your phone.
You what?
Spell camouflage and not. Okay, it took me a second. Because it's not there.
Excuse me, social distance, please.
Are you on a...
Hey, do you want to go swimming?
Oh my god. Stop recording me. Oh my god.
Let's go bowling, bro. I'm gonna beat you.
Yeah, you probably will.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna get a higher score than you, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck the shit up. Shit whack.
Guys, I found it. I finally... No!
The book has been acquired.
My daddy has a gold tooth. Wow, gold tooth? My dad has a gold tooth. Look, my dad has diabetes.
Oh shit, bro, you grab me a napkin?
What?
Will you grab me a napkin?
Oh yeah, sure.
Thanks, man. I've never done anything like this before.
Okay, calm down. Look, I'm not a cop. I'm not a cop. I'm not.
Bro, what are you doing in here? Bro, what? Dude, are you okay?
You ain't a real man unless you trim your bush this way. For 10 years I've been doing it like this and
SpongeBob's on!
This is the camping episode!
Zeigen, soll vor sich hertragen und wir werden in unserem Zeichen wieder siegen!
Make a circle, make a circle.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
Pickup lines that are guaranteed to get you laid. Part 28. Roses are red. Violets are twisted. Bend over. You're about to get fisted.
I bet you got a fat cock.
You what?
I said, look over here. It's Dwayne The Rock.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Godspeed, Spider-Man.
Shake your balls. To get the breath down lower, shake your balls. Feel your balls shaking. Feel your balls shaking. Feel your legs shaking. Feel your belly shaking. Breathe and shake. Breathe and vibrate. Breathe and vibrate. Breathe and vibrate.
You. Yes, you. Hit the like button and subscribe.